It's a tough situation for them because it really feels like a lose-lose, you know? It's like if they don't change anything, everyone complains. It's so dated. They can't keep up with the other dating shows, like the whole thing. They try and change, mix it up a little bit. Everyone's like, this sucks. Go back to the old version. I can't blame them for letting these people sleep in hotels with air conditioning, you know?
I'm perfectly fine with the being in a resort hotel room situation. Like, I don't see an issue with that. I mean, so many shows are like that. Like, and like you said, if they don't want them all going off to other Netflix shows, like we see Rachel and Clayton going on The Perfect Match, and the possibility of these contestants going on other shows is possible. They're gonna have to ramp it up. Be like, oh my god, all paid for resort vacation, fall in love, da da da. It's paradise. Paradise isn't really sitting in a room with no air conditioner, sweating your ass off with bugs and all that. Like
Yeah.
that's not paradise, really. So, I mean, it was that show, but considering the words paradise, it's not that. So